Right, somewhere amongst all that smoke, there is a pillar. And it is Welland, and it is Pacific Blue. Another one going offline, but not too far and not too fast. Tiffany Fury, for those of you who do not know, belongs to Norman Young, who is haulage contractor down in Dorset. He's also section leader for tractor pulling at the Great Dorset Steam Fair. The puller he actually brought up here in the sale many years ago used to be called Shropshire Lad 462 BTPA registered puller. Now we're back to the boom syndrome. It's had several back ends, quite a few engines, but essentially it is still the same puller. Have a string of major engine failures caused by the camshaft factory at the front in exactly the same place, and hence an engine swap eventually and a major rebuild. Right, the Scamel's back parked up. It's going to now lick its wounds and think about plan B. Oh, come on, it's a Scamel. There's always a plan B. God knows what it is, but there will be one. Jeremy Nugent, I would suspect, driving the grey and, silver and blue machine. 1977 vintage tractor, but 2007 vintage engine. C&H Genesis. C&H being Case New Holland. The Genesis engine is actually possibly potentially worth more than the puller itself. And bearing in mind the clutch on that puller is about $2.5 grand from the States without shipping and import duties and VAT. That's interesting. Jeremy Nugent driving, comes from Gillingham. Jeremy, don't do this to me, please. Having just picked up your clutch and how it doesn't break things. Oops. This could be a slight bump start job. How the hell do you bump start one with a... Fair enough, it's a plan. How do you bump start one with a centrifugal clutch? Good question. Ah.